Hello guys and welcome back to another post-market analysis on Bank Nifty and Nifty. So here we have the Nifty daily chart open. Okay, so now this is the daily chart of Nifty. So all these are markings from previous couple of days, and even yesterday was the same chart that we have discussed with the same labelings. As you can see, here we have a resistance area before. Okay, so this is the resistance area before the swing high. Okay, now that area is acting as resistance starting from February 2nd. As you can see, this is a shooting star candle that you have seen on a February 2nd. Okay, this candle, you can see the kind of rejection that this candle has given us at this resistance area, and after that this candle in turn has given us, with these two candles put together, as it has turned out to be a bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, so this is also a bearish reversal sign. We have seen two bearish reversal signs, and we have discussed about this from the last couple of days, and we are expecting a momentum towards the downside until we see a close above this line. We cannot say that the Nifty is back in the uptrend. All right, so that finally happened today. As you can see, it has opened at around the levels of 22,000, and from there it has seen a close around 21,700. That's almost close to 280 points or so. So it's a pretty big momentum in the Nifty today. So this is what we're talking about. So now, if the Nifty is coming towards the downside, now all these are going to be the minor support levels, but the major support level downside has to be this now. Okay, so this zone has to be the major support for the Nifty if it's coming down. But we may see some couple of pullbacks here and there, but remember, this is the next major reaction that we have to pay attention to. Now, in order to change that opinion about the direction of Nifty, we need to see a close above this with a proper confirmation candle. Okay, with a proper confirmation candle, and if it's having a higher high and higher low with higher close, then it's even better. But until that happens, we are looking towards the downside momentum only. So in fact, if you see here, swing wise, okay, let me show you. So let's imagine that that's a swing, and from somewhere, okay, so here we have seen a pullback, this, and again this. Okay, so from here we have seen a breakout from this swing low, but this has in fact seen a breakout here at this dotted line around February 2nd, the same day where we have seen a shooting star. But the problem is, we have seen that breakout, and the Nifty coming very close to this resistance area. So that is why we are seeing this problem now towards the downside. Now we should wait and see how it's going to uh, how it's going to happen tomorrow, because today is a very well trending day. So most likely tomorrow or day after tomorrow, it's going to be traditionally a sideways day, because it needs to see some corrections within these levels. Okay, so let's wait and see what's going to happen in Nifty. So that is how the Nifty is looking here. Now let's change to the Bank Nifty chart. So here we have the Bank Nifty chart on a daily time frame. As you can see, yesterday we were discussing about this pattern. Okay, we have seen a higher we have seen all higher highs almost till. Okay, so here you have seen a high which is higher than your previous high there, and here you have seen a high which is higher. But from here, the real problems have started, because that's the lower high, and also it has seen a breakout from this previous low. So from there, you see none of the highs are broken. Okay, so that means that the downtrend is still in intact. So this high is still in intact, and again we have seen this break from this previous low. So after this breakout, until this dotted line, this high breaks, and we have see until a candle getting closed above this, we cannot come to a conclusion that the direction of the Bank Nifty is towards the upside. That means Bank Nifty is still towards the downside, starting from this level. Let me change it to the line, and from there we have started, from this blue line we have started seeing the real problem, the real downtrend. So now it looks like it has tried almost to come this level, but it has gone above this also, but we haven't seen a close there on a daily time frame. So until this changes, we can assume that it is still in a downtrend, and in fact it may start to consolidate, because it is stuck in between these two, this high and this low. So keep that in mind also. So that is how Nifty and Bank Nifty's charts are looking on a daily time frame. Now let's check how the 5-minute post market analysis for the bank nifty. So just like just a small thing. Yeah. So just like we have discussed in the Nifty, here also we may see some pullbacks towards the upper side, but the major levels got to be this for the Bank Nifty towards the downside. Okay, so we are almost there. Let's see what's going to happen now. And on the upper side, this entire level is got to be an important level for the Bank Nifty because of this gap right there. As you can see, it's very, very, very bearish, but it's very close to this previous swing low level, which may now act as a support. So let's see what's that going to happen. So I hope you have marked those levels on your daily charts. So now let's change to our 5 minute time frame. Yeah, here we have the 5 minute time frame. So here, as you can see, when you are seeing Bank Nifty uh, seeing at see, first of all, the starting three candles are green color, which may give us an opinion that it may go towards the higher levels. Yes, very well true, but we should also consider about see, when it is here exactly, on the left side, which is your major level, this got to be your major level on the left. Okay, so once you see a shooting star pattern here, okay, at that important level, then you can trade almost till here as that as your target. It has reached, but it's not a very ideal location for a valid trade because of your risk versus reward ratio. Let's see now what has happened next. Bank Nifty has seen a close somewhere there, so now let's check what's happening at that level towards the left side. Okay, so towards the left side here, this level got to be the important level on the left. Let's now simply drag that level. Okay, so yeah, that's very far away now. Anything I mean, this momentum is very clear, but for that to reach this level, we need to see a confirmation candle after this breakout, which is failed in this case. Now, as you can see, after 10 candle 10 o'clock candle, then the 10:05 candle has given us a pretty big bearish engulfing pattern symbol right at your resistance area. Okay, that is coming from this swing high from February 7th. So it's not only a failure breakout, but also a bearish engulfing pattern. So if one has seen a good risk versus reward ratio here, they could have taken the trade. But the thing is here, your risk is very high, but it has paid off very well today. Look at the kind of momentum that we have seen today. But there is another way of looking at this price action, which is, if you are able to mark your swing highs and lows, then your market has started there, it has gone there, and you have seen some pullback after this breakout, a small breakout there. But from there, it has seen a breakout from this swing low. Okay, and a small correction there. From by the moment it is starting, so you can look at this candle. Okay, that's 10:55 candle. So in this candle, okay, you if someone has uh, if they have identified this pattern, okay, breaking this swing level, so they could have made some good money with this price action today. But look at the kind of momentum even after that. Okay, so even after this momentum, let's mark this once again. So starting from here, now let's directly take that as uh, okay, so from here you have seen a pullback, here you have seen a breakout. Now look at a small break, a small momentum towards upside, but look at this. Look at the kind of momentum that this has created. So now this strength is coming from, of course, the daily time frame, but let's also look at it from the 4 minutes perspective. So here we have the 4 minutes perspective. So even here, you see from the past couple of days, it's struggling to take a close above this line. So the moment you see a rejection there and a close there, from then it has started coming down, but it has seen some kind of consolidation, and today finally it has seen a breakout from there. All right, so I hope you have understood something from today's video, and um, I hope you have marked important levels on the Nifty and Bank Nifty on a daily time frame. So let's catch up in our next post market analysis video. So in Nifty, you have seen a pretty good momentum, and that's why it's very important to follow every day, because we are talking about this momentum from um, from last couple of days. Okay, so that's how your post market analysis may help you uh, in your live markets if you have knowledge about what's happening, okay, with the post market analysis. Thank you guys, see you in our next video. Until then, happy trading, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you.